Hello everyone, my name is Uyghur. I'm based in Finland. Today we held a demonstration in this very square called damsquare in Amsterdam, Netherlands. It's part of our several demonstration which starts from the Finland, Helsinki. It continued in Amsterdam, Oslo, Berlin. Now we are in Netherlands, Amsterdam, sorry. And it will continue in Paris at the end, 1st October. It's gonna give a final demonstration in Brussels in front of European Commission. Here I want to introduce you guys my friend Abdurrahim. He is having this continuous demonstration over 3 months and creating and promoting awareness of atrocious situation of West Turkestan, the Uyghur people. There are over 3 million Uyghurs and Kazakhs and other ethnic minorities are detained in so-called re-education camps, in fact concentration centers. Others are living under high surveillance, just like dystopia called 1984. So I give my thanks to my friend who is strong in faith and active in this promoting campaigns. As a son of two detained parents and as a normal regular Uyghur person, I give my thanks to my friend and wish him continue his struggle until we get our freedom back. We want immediate release of all those 3 million or over 3 million detainees, and we want our rights back. We want peace. We don't want discrimination. We want to be respected as a nation like all other nations in this surface of this planet. We are peace-loving people. We love our parents, our relatives. We really want them to be free, set free. We really want to see them near future, healthy and alive. Thank you guys, and may God bless you all. Stand up for Uyghur, stand up for humanity.
So that's why we try to let more people know about the 3 million because Taiwan and Hong Kong, they also have a problem against the Chinese government because the Chinese, they wanted this place also.
Now, folks, so far I've done all the work. All I've asked you to do, come to the line. Have a little fun. You're doing a great job. But this next part of the show, I need everybody's help. Everyone's help or it won't work. I changed 5 to 10. Everybody, put your hands up in the air. Everyone, work. Even the cool people. If you don't do it, I'll point you out and everyone will look at you. You. No, both hands. We're not in Germany anymore. Okay. I changed 5 to 10. I changed 5 to 10. Everybody, follow my lead. Bring your hands down.
Thank you very much.
Okay, I can